If your neck feels uncomfortable, there is one movement that makes it feel better the more you practice. Remember, it is definitely not massage. Even if you massage for 10 years, or even 20 years, it may not help much. In fact, everyone has a switch in their neck. Once you find this switch and start training it, your entire neck will feel comfortable. Your neck and shoulders will suddenly loosen up. 99% of people actually get this wrong. Most people think neck discomfort comes from looking down too much, or from using a pillow that's too high. Some even believe it's just muscle tightness in the neck and shoulders. Let me tell you, that is completely wrong. The real reason is that the natural curve of the cervical spine has changed. For some people, the curve has become straight. For others, it is even reversed. The space between the cervical discs has become very narrow. Do not take cervical deformation or misalignment lightly. If you don't pay attention to it and don't improve it in time, you will start to notice something. Your neck will unconsciously shrink inward. Your back will begin to hunch. Your whole body will look shorter than before. Over time, this can compress the nerves. You may often feel dizziness, a heavy head, or even numbness in the back of the head, the shoulders, and down the entire arm. So today, I will teach you a method that is especially suitable for middle-aged and elderly people to take care of the cervical spine. It does not require strenuous neck-dropping movements, no left and right shaking, no massage. You only need to practice this movement at home for 5 to 10 minutes a day. Especially for those who often develop a noticeable bump at the front of the neck, meeting me today means you've reached the final stop for cervical spine care. Don't tell me you don't want to learn. My mother used to complain every day. Now she smiles every day, full of energy, looking refreshed and lively. Throughout this entire process, I never let her do neck-dropping movements or side-to-side shaking, because the cervical spine is made up of individual vertebrae connected one by one. When the neck already feels uncomfortable, doing large range movements can easily cause injury. That would not be worth it, but she is very disciplined. Every day at home, she practices this movement for 5 to 10 minutes. So what exactly is this method? It is called the cervical core release method. In all my years of teaching, this is the simplest and most practical method I've ever taught. It helps reposition misaligned cervical vertebrae back to their natural physiological position. It also relaxes tight neck and shoulder muscles in the fastest and most effective way. Over the years, I've used this method to help hundreds of middle-aged and elderly people in our community successfully relieve cervical spine problems. Next, I will teach this method to you. First, prepare a cervical traction pillow like this. It is used as an aid for training. If you don't have one at home, you can buy one online or at a large supermarket. It's very affordable. After you get it, place it on your bed or on the sofa. Now, lie flat. Take a look. At this moment, your entire cervical spine is immediately lifted and supported. The tension and pressure your neck has carried all day are instantly released. At the same time, under the traction effect of the cervical pillow, the quality and elasticity of the neck and shoulder muscles recover quickly. Circulation behind the neck and shoulders begins to open up. Once this circulation opens, the most important connection between your head and body, your cervical spine, is no longer blocked. Another very important point is that this cervical pillow is designed according to ergonomics. Its curve fits perfectly with the natural curve of the neck. It helps open up the narrow disc spaces. Once those spaces open, the pressure inside naturally disappears. Dizziness, head heaviness, and arm numbness will no longer occur. So this movement not only makes your neck feel comfortable, but also deeply relaxes your shoulders and neck. This is the movement. Practice it at home for 5 to 10 minutes every day. This is the best way to release and maintain your cervical spine. After practicing for a period of time, feel the comfort in your neck and shoulders. Observe the changes in your posture. Finally, a reminder for everyone. When choosing a cervical traction pillow, be sure to select one with good quality and strong cushioning. It will be much more comfortable to use. If you're worried about buying the wrong one or paying too much, you can click on my profile picture. Below, you'll find a product showcase. The manufacturer is currently running a promotion and the price is very good.